My name is Odusola. I'm a Nigerian Babat, and I grew up in Nigeria most of my life. Currently, I'm studying PSW, Personal Support Worker. It has to do with learning how to take care of people, and not just people with special needs, and the ability to be able to help them live their life to the fullest, and also to be able to see the other way, the other side of life, that the fact they're in a certain condition doesn't mean it's end of life or it's over for them, but rather you give them a new sense of hope, a new ability to see things in a different dimension, and make them feel that they are included in the society and not excluded. The enrollment process was quite easy for me, and I came in with some years of experience, starting with taking care of granny, babysitting, and working with cerebral palsy people back home. And I also worked in another country where I did support work. I was able to learn so many things about people, and see life in their own view, being empathic. And that was what made me kind of like come into the care sector fully, though I never liked healthcare because of blood and everything. But coming into PSW, I see that you don't need to deal with the blood thing, and also you can put your own little effort into the community. So that's why I came into PSW. Getting accommodation was a bit difficult because most of the agents, or let me say agencies, they wanted working class, and most of them wanted citizens. I won't say they were being racist or anything, but I think they have their own requirements and reasons for wanting people like that. But as time went by, because my sister and I stayed almost 1 month in hotel, we were spending a lot, and we were finally able to get something. And we found out that, yeah, you pay beginning of the month. So we kind of like spent a whole month trying to get accommodation because we needed to pay beginning of the month. And most people who were really ready to accept us wanted us to pay or move in beginning of the month. In 5 years in this course, I'm looking forward to getting my RN, though I have found out that I don't really need to work in the hospital being an RN. So I think that's a plus for me, and I'm happy to looking forward to getting an RN in the course of this program. Eastern College is a great choice because you get to meet people of your race and culture, and you also get to meet people of other races and culture. But in the 21st century, things have really changed. It's not what you think the world has been. People are ready to integrate with you, learn from you, share ideas with you, and it's kind of like something that is a positive one for Eastern College in Mountain.